Hello, in this video I will show you how to use filters to find value bets. After selecting a match, click on the Odd Filters tab. Here you will see 4 types of filters. The first one is expanded by default because it is most commonly used. You can collapse it if you need more space. At the top there are commands for all types of filters. The apply button applies all the selected filters to the chosen match. The apply on the next match checkbox, when checked, will apply the selected filters to upcoming matches as well. The clear button clears all selected filters and displays unfiltered odds for the match. The first type of filter is bets and odds by name. This filter allows us to display only the odds for bet names and odd names that are of the most interest to us, so we can focus on them. When we select a bet name, we can see all the bet names it contains. By clicking the plus button, we can add filters. We can add multiple bet names and odd names for filtering. The selected filters are visible at the bottom of this filter type. We can remove individual filters for odds, bet names, or clear the entire filter by clicking the main X button. If the all checkbox next to a bet name is checked, it disregards the selected odd names for that bet name and the entire bet name is chosen. If unchecked, only the selected odd names for that bet name are filtered. We can search for bet names by entering a part of their name. For example, if we type match, we will see all bet names that Sharpers Maker knows and that contain the keyword match. This works because the show all radio button is selected here. If we want to display only bet names for odds in this match, we press the show for match radio button. The calc radio button displays bet names that Sharpers Maker can calculate and other displays bet names that it cannot calculate. You can choose the type of bet names to display using the type drop down. It has these options: basic, common odds, combo, combinations with and, combo or, combinations with or, scorers, these are player or related odds, and all this is default option. When selecting a bet name with many odd names, you can easily search for them by entering a part of the odds name. For example, when total goals is selected in the odds text box, you can enter 1.5 and click the plus button next to over 1.5 to include it in the filter. Click apply to apply the filters. The second type of filter is filter odd differences, expanded to see its options. Here you can see a color map that represents the colors assigned to odds. Red indicates lower odds, blue indicates higher odds, and Lighter colors represent values in between. It is most common to focus on the most extreme odds, the highest and the lowest. Therefore, leave only those checked and press the apply button. The default option is match any, meaning rows with odds containing any of checked colors will appear. The other option is match all, and selecting it will display rows with odds that have all the checked colors. The third type of filter is odds by size. Clear the previous filters to avoid combining with other filters. Expand it to see its options. Here you can set minimum and maximum odds to be displayed. Let's try it out. Enter 1.8 in the from text box and 2.5 in the to text box. Then press apply. This is useful if you are primarily interested in odds within a specific range. The last type of filter is bookmakers. Expanded to see its options. The show all option is the default one and displays all bookmakers that Sharppost Maker recognizes. The show for match option shows only bookmakers for which we have odds for the specific for the selected match. Let's keep only 1xbet. Uncheck all and select only 1xbet. Press the apply button. You will see 1x bet odds from 1.8 to 2.5. You can remove the odds by size filter to display all 1xbet odds. Press apply. Thank you for watching me.